Where are those Posh sample stickers? I swear they had them last time. Why can't I find them in the virtual office? I don't want to buy my own portal stickers. Do you know where they are? Hi, I'm Marie Jones, leader of Team PoshPromoters, and I'm going to share with you what to do when you cannot find Posh sample stickers and how to create your own. Yes, Perfectly Posh has them available in the Portal store, but I don't know about you, but I like to buy my products and then have the sample sticker specifically for that product, or create multiple stickers on one sheet, saving me money. Now, in the past, Perfectly Posh has put them in their virtual office in the Posh box. But now that Perfectly Posh has moved into a Google Drive, it isn't there yet. And I don't have time to wait for that, so I have to be a little bit creative. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how I'm creative, and I actually made these beautiful sample stickers that look professionally done, and they appear to be Posh official stickers, although they're not. So let's go ahead and dive into my computer, and I'm going to share with you how you can make these amazing stickers, all with the power of Canva. Welcome to my favorite graphic website. I mean, this website is like so amazing, and it's absolutely free. This is the really crazy part. Now, I have a paid version, so you're going to see a couple of things that are a little bit different. You can still make these Posh round labels. So super easy. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create an account at canva.com. That's canva.com. And once you create an account, you're going to see a whole bunch of different canvases. It says here, create design. You'll see the ones for social media, Twitter. For this tutorial, you're going to want to use the custom dimensions, and you're going to want to click on that. And then as soon as it comes up, then you're going to select 4" by 4". Make sure you change the pixels to inches first, and then do 4 by 4, and then click on design. Now, I already have one created, and it's here on this Posh 1" round labels. So after you make your canvas, then you'll come to a blank canvas. There will be absolutely nothing on it. Now, of course, this canvas has many different labels that I made, and I'm going to share with you how I made this particular label because it's actually my favorite. So super easy. So this label is actually a frame with a color blocking on top of it, all right, with 2 text fields and then the Perfectly Posh logo on top. Okay, so let's go to our blank one, and I'll share with you exactly how you do this. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Elements tab, and in the Elements tab, you will see all kinds of different elements. Now, all of my elements say that they're free. They may be free for you as well, but I have the paid version, so you may have to pay $1 for an element. If so, you can pay $1 for the element, and then you can change it up to 24 hours. So, you can maximize, your buck that way. Because you're not selling any of these documents, it's perfectly okay to do that. Right, so we're going to go ahead and expand this. Okay, and this is going to be our box here, right? So we have that. Now, the question is, how in the world did I get this here, which is the package of the jam pack on there. Okay, very tricky manipulation. So I went to perfectlyposh.com, and if you, in case you don't know already, if you didn't know already, all you have to do is right click on an image, and then you can save image as, and it will automatically download in your download folder, or whatever folder you usually download objects from the internet, onto your computer. Okay, now remember where you downloaded it, because it's going to come in handy in Canva. So we're in Canva, and if you click on uploads, you can upload your own image. All right, and as you can see, I have something from Perfectionist, all these other hard days, nights. Okay, just find the image that you want to create the sticker for, all right, and upload it. Now, Jam Packed is already uploaded, so let's go to our blank canvas. Here we are. What you're going to do is you're going to hover over it and see how it puts it in there, but now you're like, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. A lot of people would stop and say, this does not work. There's no way that I can manipulate that now, okay? Because if you start moving this back and forth, it's just moving the frame. But there is a trick to this. Go to crop, okay? Go to crop. Reduce your screen size down to 75%, and then start dragging your image to make it bigger. Okay, now what we're trying to do here, and this is a fun one to do, is you see how the circle is? We want this to appear. Okay, now you can't really tell that it says jam here, but you know, it makes it really cool and nifty. Okay, so I think this is pretty good, just right here. Okay, and then you're going to hit this check mark, and look at that, you got berries in there. It looks pretty cool. All right, now if you wanted to change the color of your shape right here, all you have to do is go up here, okay? And I like to pick out some color that's in here. So let's go ahead and make it purple, okay? Just for fun, okay? If I didn't like that purple, I can go up to the plus. I can change the purple. Let's make it that purple. Okay. All right. Now to add the text on there, you're going to go to text. Okay. Now this is where it's a little bit different with my version, which is paid, and your version. Okay. I just click on any heading. Be honest with you, any heading. And the most important thing is to make sure that it lines up here. Okay, it lines up here, and that this box is now going to be like this. Okay, right flush against the corners of your canvas. Now I will click inside. Oop, hello. Click inside, and then I will go ahead and write the text that I want in all caps. Now we're going to change this, so don't freak out. Okay, I just like to write it ahead of time. And then we'll go up here on the upper left hand corner, and you can see what text style it is, and then also the font size. So let's see here. We're going to make this 48, okay? And let's go ahead and change the font. You click on the font name, and then you can start choosing the fonts. Now, as you can see, there's brand fonts, which is in the paid version, and there's also uploaded fonts, which is also in the paid version. If you love my fonts, know that because I do graphic designs, I also purchase my own fonts that I actually own. There's a difference between using fonts correctly and then just ripping them off. Now, if you are using them for your own personal use, you don't have to worry about that. But if you're creating these for other people, then you need to make sure you own the licenses to those fonts. Okay. Now, here where it says English fonts, those are all fonts that are with Canva for free. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use one of those, and I love these. These are like so cool. Very cute. Okay, so because this is dark, you may want to have like a lighter font, like in a color white, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave it black. Okay, and then we'll need another text box, and basically you can go up to here and do copy, and it'll just put it right there. It's already the same size, and in here we're going to go ahead and highlight this, and we are going to put here the antioxidant, also in all caps. And then we're going to change the font to something that Canva already has in a different font lettering. All right, and this one is pretty big, so we just want to make this smaller. And perhaps a little bit more smaller than that. There we go. And we'll change this to white. And there you go. And then to download it, you just go to download. Important thing is to click transparent background. Keep note of which canvas you are trying to download. Otherwise, if it's more than one sample sticker that you're creating, it will create a zip file or a folder. If it's just one, then the one will be downloaded. The name of the file will be up here, and you can change that at any time by clicking on it. Change the design title, hit done. Right, so let's go ahead and go and download this. This is 12. Transparent background, download, and there it is. Now all you have to do is upload it to Avery.com or Maestro Label Maker using onlinelabels.com and create some awesome labels. And basically what you will do is you will just click on images. If you are using the Maestro Label Maker, upload the new image, and then it will appear here. Click on the image. It will appear in your canvas over here. Expand it or shrink it down, and then you can either create one label per label sheet, or if you wanted to do multiple designs, you click on multiple designs and then do one for each design. If you want more information on how to make multiple designs or using Maestro Label Maker, make sure you watch my tutorials. When you are finished and you're ready to export it, it comes out in a PDF. Super easy. Put in your printer paper and print, and voila, you have your own sample stickers. You didn't have to go to Etsy to get them. You didn't have to wait for Posh to upload the graphics. You took control of your Posh box. Don't you feel so good? I hope that was easy tutorial to follow. If you are a Posh consultant and you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name is Marie Jones. I'm a Perfectly Posh leader and leader of Team Posh Promoters. If you are interested in learning more about Posh, trying Posh, or joining my Posh team, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching.